Yacht brokerage is a very small part of what we do here in Milford Haven. We're not just a yacht brokers firm. We offer the full package for all of our customers. So for example, this boat that I'm on now, this is the Quicksilver 555 cabin. This boat was bought brand new from us in 2022, I think it was. And the owner has had a couple of years use out of it, thoroughly enjoyed it, but now he wants to move on. So he's come back to us after the couple of years and asked us to put it up on brokerage, but it's also due its annual service. So she's coming out of the water onto her trailer today, and she's going to have her annual service on the Mercury outboard engine. Aside from that, she's due a clean off because it's the end of the season. She's dirty, she's green, the hull's dirty. So she's going to have a power wash, she's going to have a valet, she's going to have a hull polish, and she's then, after everything, going to have a fresh coat of anti-foul ready for the new owner. That is what we do here at Quadra Marine Services. We offer the full package to all of our clients. So a short video today just to show you here in Milford Marina, heading over towards the slipway. We're going to pop this boat onto its own trailer. This is actually going onto a brand new SBS trailer. The boat's never been on it before. So we're going to pop the boat on it. It's a bunk trailer. She'll need a bit of adjustment once she's on because the trailer isn't set up for the boat at all. So we've just loosely spec'd it for the boat. Get the boat onto it, set her up, and then she can go into the workshop and have her valet, have her engine service, have her anti-foul, and she's fresh and ready for the new owner. So I'm over at the slipway now. I can see that the trailer is just about to start coming down the slipway. So I'm just going to cut here and get the boat onto the trailer, and then see you in a second, guys. There's the slipway here in Milford Haven. As you can see, they're just setting up the trailer ready for me to come on, and then we'll pull the boat to shore. That's the Quicksilver out of the water and over at the workshop to be washed. So that's the end of this video. We'll try and pick up perhaps on a few things that we're doing today. But she's now going to have a good pressure wash, a wash and wax the top sides. The cover is going to come off for a wash, and then she'll enter the workshop behind me, and she's going in there for engine service and anti-foul. If you like these videos, please do subscribe to my channel. I upload boat tours of all the boats we have up on brokerage, and I'm going to start doing a few little videos like this, just showing some of the things that we do day to day here at Quadra Marine Services. Thank you for watching.